Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. What we have here, you can take 6 raised to power 6 to the left hand side, and we have x raised to power 6 minus 6 raised to power 6 now equals to 0 from here. The next step, we can rewrite this as x raised to power 3, then raised to power 2. As 2 times 3 here give us 6, then minus. Also here we have 6 raised to power 3, then raised to power 2, then equals to 0 from here. What we have here follows difference of two squares. When we have a square minus b square, this is same thing as a plus b into brackets, then open bracket a minus b. That is, here a is standing as x raised to power 3 and b standing as 6 raised to power 3. Then what we have here follow this and becomes x raised to power 3 plus 6 raised to power 3 into brackets, then open brackets also x raised to power 3 minus 6 raised to power 3 close brackets, then equals to 0 from here. The next step, we have two possible cases now. The first one, we have x minus 3 plus, x raised to power 3 plus 6 raised to power 3 equals to 0, or we have x raised to power 3 minus 6 raised to power 3 equals to 0 here. In solving from the first case here, this follows when we have a raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 3, which is same thing as a plus b into brackets, then also open bracket a square minus ab plus b squared. And here this follows what we have, and we can write it as x plus 6 into brackets, then open bracket x square, then minus x and 6, which is 6x, then plus 6 square close bracket equals to 0 from here. That is, this is same thing as x plus 6 into brackets, then open bracket x square minus 6x plus 6 squared as 36 close bracket equals to 0 here. And here we have two cases as well. The first one, x plus 6 equals to 0, or we have x square minus 6x plus 36 equals to 0 here. That is, on this side we have x equals to minus 6, which is a real solution here. And from here we have a quadratic equation where a equals to 1, b equals to minus 6, and c equals to 36. And applying the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, then what we have becomes x equals to minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 36, then over 2 times 1. That is, solving further here, we have x equals to minus times minus give us plus as plus 6, then plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared give us 36, and here minus. You can still write this as 4 times 36, which is divided by 2 here. The next step, we have x now equals to 6 plus or minus square root of. We can factor 36 out here, and we are left with 1 minus 4 inside, then over 2 here. And next step, we have x equals to 6 plus or minus square root of. Here, this is 36 times 1 minus 4, that's minus 3 over 2 here. And we can separate this into two roots here. As this x equals to 6 plus or minus root 36, that's 6. Then root minus 3, same thing as root 3 high. Then over 2 here. Then we factor 2 up here, and we have x equals to 2 into bracket 3 plus or minus 3 root 3 high. then over 2 from here. 2 here cancelled each other. That is x now equals to 3 plus or minus 3 root 3i. So here we have two complex solutions from here. Then solving from the second case here, this also follows when we have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, which is the same thing as a minus b into brackets, then open bracket a square plus ab plus b square. If you are watching us here at MasterTMathsclass, please subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and also give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you for subscribing. Now here, this follows what we have, and this becomes x minus 6 into brackets, then open brackets x square plus 6x plus 6 square close bracket equals to 0 here. And here we have two cases as well. The first one, x minus 6 equals to 0, or we have the second one here, x square plus 6x plus 6 square, which is 36, equals to 0 here. And solving from here, we have x equals to 6, which is a real solution here. And on this side, we have a quadratic equation where a equals to 1, b equals to 6, and c equals to 36. When we apply the quadratic formula here, we have x now equals to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 36, then over 2 times 1, which implies here we have x now equals to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 6 square here give us 36, then minus, we can still leave this as 4 times 36, then over 2 here. That is, here we have x equals to minus 6 plus or minus square root of, here 36 is common, we factor it out and we are left with 1 minus 4 inside here, then over 2 here. Then this is the same thing as x equals to minus 6 plus or minus root 36 times 1 minus 4, that's minus 3 over 2 here. And we can separate this into two roots. That is, x is now equals to minus 6 plus or minus root 36 here, that's 6. Then root minus 3, that's root 3i. Then over 2 here. And 2 can go in minus 6 and 6 here. So we have x now equals to minus 3 plus or minus 3 root 3i here. So here we have two complex solutions as well. Therefore, altogether here, we have 6 solutions in this given problem. 2 real solutions here, 2 complex solutions here, and 2 complex solutions here, making 6 solutions. And thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos. Turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comment. See you next class, and bye for now.